Hey guys, welcome to the second part of the My Profile application. In the previous session, we have created the bottom navigation view for profile and project. In this part, we are going to create two fragments for those two profile and project. Let us start. Go to mainActivity.java and type private bottom navigation view, bottom navigation view. Then initialize it, find view by ID r dot id dot bottom view. Set the listener bottom navigation view dot type new and let this part be like that. Now we shall create two fragments for that. Go to new, select fragment in that blank fragment and check these two and name it as profile fragment and click finish. We need one more fragment again blank fragment and check these two and name it as project fragment. Give finish. Go to main activity and declare those two fragments, that is private profile fragment same for project fragment. Okay, make it as capital P. Now for the project fragment, new project. Now we are going to create one function to set our fragment and name it as public void set fragment. Then select fragment transaction. Now let us use the switch statement for profile and project statements. That is switch menu item. This menu item is the this one dot get item ID. If case dot ID colon set fragment profile fragment and return. If case is or dot a dot project, then set fragment. Okay, here it is profile fragment and here it is project fragment. Then return true. And we shall use the default case. Default return false. Okay. When we open this profile, my profile application, we should see that profile fragment. So let us set that fragment as profile fragment and name it as go to text and name it as project fragment and go to profile fragment and name it as profile fragment. Now let us run and see how our bottom navigation looks. See guys, we have given some functionalities to this bottom navigation view. That is when we click on profile, it is showing profile fragment and when we click on project, it is showing as project fragment. And this is all about for part 2 and we shall meet in part 3. Thank you. This is Jeevan from Code Android.